Welcome, little artists. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of drawing. Grab your pencils and paper because we are going to draw a jug and a glass together. Start with a simple oval for the jug. That's our base. Extend a curvy line from the oval to create the jug's handle. Now let's add a big smiley face to our jug. That's one happy container. For the glass, draw a straight line and two curved lines on the top. It's taking shape. Correct the lines to form the glass. Looking good so far. Add two small circles inside the glass for some imaginary drink. Time for details. Draw some wavy lines on the jug for decoration. Don't forget to give your glass a few sparkles. It's magic juice inside. Let's make our jug extra fancy with a couple of dots and lines. Coloring time. What colors will you choose for your jug and glass? Remember, there is no right or wrong. Let your creativity flow. The possibilities are endless. You are not just drawing, you are creating your own little masterpiece. Feel free to add more details, maybe some hearts or stars. Let's sprinkle some magic dust. Small dots around your drawing for extra charm. Keep going, you are almost there. Take your time, no rush. A little zigzag pattern on the glass can make it even more interesting. Time to give your creation a name. How about joyful jug and gleeful glass? Thank you so much for watching this video.